Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keyboard caps lock on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on general. Then tap on keyboard. Next, go down and tap on enable caps lock switch to turn it on or off. If it is switch off, and when you try to type in cap locks, you will not be able to. So let me turn it on. And to type in cap locks, you just have to tap on the shift key twice, and you can see it turns into cap locks mode. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.